Ang gagawin natin ngayon ay medyo mas intermediate na ng konti. Prepare nyo yung inyong mga paper, pencils, and coloring materials today, ha? So ngayon, okay, ready na ba kayo? Ang gagawin natin ngayon ay isang klase ng still life. Still life, ibig sabihin, hindi gumagalaw. So ginagawa to ng mga pag magpipaint kayo, pag hindi gumagalaw yung dinodrawing nyo, usually ang tawag doon still life. Usually ito yung mga nakikita nyo, yung mga prutas or pagkain na nasa ibabaw ng table. Diba? Tapos try natin siyang iguhit o kulayan na may highlights and shadows. Naaalala niyo po ba kung anong highlights and shadows? I'll show you, papagawa natin ha. Highlight ay yung mga shiny part, kagaya nito. Yung shiny part, the white parts. And shadows, alam niyo naman yung shadows, it's the dark parts, diba? Okay, get your pencil first. Pencil muna tayo. We'll start drawing, okay? First, let's try to draw the simple one, the basic one. The tomato, drawing muna tayo ng kamatis. Dalawa, okay? Sige. So, bago tayo mag-drawing, di ba? Estimate muna natin yung size ng drawing sa size ng paper. Okay? So, ito yung ating paper. Invisible hands muna, fingers, invisible lines muna. Draw nyo muna yung dalawang kamatis dito para hindi masyadong malaki. It's not too big, not too small. And then if you're okay with the size, see, let's try to draw. Okay, drawing tayo ng simple circle. Yan. Tapos, isa pa. Isa pang circle sa likod niya. Another circle at the back. Pero hindi na buo kasi takpan na siya ng konti. Yan. Overlap. Okay, let's try to draw overlapping circle. And look at my circle. Hindi siya perfect. Diba kasi yung kamatis, hindi naman perfect circle. Diba? The tomato is not a perfect circle. Yan. And then let's try to draw yung parang dahon lang yan. Yan. Now, let's try to draw this. Drawing naman natin to. Anong gulay kaya to? Yung okra, di ba? Sige, drawing tayo ng okra. So, lines first. Check muna natin yung size, di ba? Banda rito siguro. Okay, so, yung okra, medyo mahaba siyang ganyan. Di ba? Parang banana, pero hindi. Mas, mas manipis. Tapos, yung dulo niya, lagyan natin ng yan. Okay, like that, yung tangkay ng okra. Like that. Isa pa, let's draw one more. This time, dito naman. One. And then, okay, next. Good. Another okra. Okay, next. Drawing natin yung, what's this? Yung squash or kalabasa. Yan. Sige, try tayo mag-drawing ng parang letter U na tagilid. Okay, look at this, diba? Look, trace nyo muna visible lines. So, medyo dito siya. Okay, merong kalabasa malaki, may kalabasang maliliit. This one, let's try to imagine first the size. Para hindi kayo mahirapan mag-estimate ng size, so you can put some dots so you can know the estimate the size. Yan, no? Diba? Or maybe dito na lang. Okay, next, let's try to draw the letter U na tabingi. Gagawa tayo ng perspective kasi yung okra parang naka-slice. Okay? Just a bit 3D. So when we make a still life, we'll try to do 3D. Diba? We'll apply shadows and highlights. Kaya dapat hindi flat yung artwork. After this, look from here, tinan nyo to. Same line. Bababa. But, look. Magwa-wide dito. Then, babalik sa taas. Okay. Ano pwede pang mas mataas ng konti? Draw a line here. And then, look. Kulubot dito. Wavy line. Then, straight line again. Gawin natin yung iloob ng kalabasa. Wavy line. Look. Parang ito yung buto. Ang gagamitin kong pang color today ay oil pastel para mas mabilis at makulay. You can also use colored pencils. Sometimes, mas matagal lang gawin yung colored pencils, pero mas fun. Okay, done na. Okay, next. Lagyan natin ng medyo more lines dito. Pang kalabasa. Okay, kukulayan natin yan mamaya. Sige, isa na lang. Sige, isa pa. Okay, now, let's try to draw this one. Ano naman to? Kulay violet. Drawing naman natin yung talong or eggplant. Sige, tingnan nyo Gawa tayo ng curved line dito. Tapos dito. Ulit. Sorry. Tingnan mo, even si teacher nagkakamali. Okay lang. Gusto ko pa siya itaas para kita yung dulo niya, yung color green, yung tangkay. Eggplant. Okay, let's start coloring. Are you ready? Okay, simulan natin sa kamatis. So, we'll use 4 colors. Yung green, mamaya na yun sa dahon. Pakulayan muna natin yung dahon kasi hindi to kasama sa shading. So, green first. Green for the leaves. Yan. Okay. Ngayon, for the highlights and shadows, look, diba? So, may shiny part dito, tsaka dito. So, bago tayo mag-color, before we color, we have to know where the light source is. Alam muna natin, nasaan ba galing yung ilaw? So, example, dito galing yung ilaw. Ito Okay. Yung highlight natin ay dapat dito sa, malapit sa ilaw. The light source should be here. So, dapat ito, yun yung white. Tapos dito yung shadow. Okay, so yung circle dito, you see, nag-drawing ako ng very light lang na circle. That will be the highlight. Shiny part, hindi nyo kukulayan Okay, sige. Try natin. Try to color use the lightest color first. So, iiwanan nyo yung highlight. Okay, ito yung shiny part Do not color the white part. Tapos, after yellow, we can add some orange. Dito sa gitna din. You blend with the lighter color. If you're using oil pastel, you blend with the lighter color. Kapag gumagamit kayo ng oil pastel, you use the lighter color to blend. Tapos, gamitin naman natin yung red. Red naman. Hanggang dito na sa pinakababa. Pinakailalim red. Yan, ngayon, gagamitin natin yung ito. Tapos yung brown sa pinakailalim. Or black. Dito lang sa pinakailalim. Tapos, i-blend natin to. Color yellow. I-blend nyo siya sa orange. Para yung lighter color yung pang-blend. So, kunwari, gusto nyo i-blend yung yellow and if you want to mix yellow and orange, gusto nyo siya i-blend, gamitin nyo yung yellow. If you're using colored pencils, it can be the same. You can just fade it. Pwede nyo i-fade lang yung orange. Straight line ka na lang ako. And the idea is, this part should be darker kasi ito yung shadow. This part should be lighter kasi ito yung light source nyo. Okay, tapos na. Okay, next naman yung okra. So, sa okra, ganun din. Sige, lalagyan ko ng linya Ito, this will be the shiny part. Lagi kayo mag-iiwan ng highlight. Color tayo. Okay. Color nyo yung top part. Tapos, yung dito din. Okay. Yan, dito. Pero, iiwan nyo tong white part. Look. Ito yung highlight. This is the highlight. Okay, also this one. This one, yan yung highlight. Okay, diba? Pwede nyo din siyang lagyan ng konting yellow, i-blend with yellow. The secret is always leave a white, shiny part or white line. Tapos you'll use yellow to blend it a little. Pusin na rin natin itong, let's finish this, yung tangkay niya. Ganyan lang siya. Kailangan may white part. Okay, then we'll add the shadows. Just one line, dito lang sa ilalim. Look, pag yung shadow, laging far from the highlight. Diba? Ito yung light nyo. Ito yung sun or sunlight. Dapat dito yung shadow sa opposite side. Okay? I'm just drawing one line kasi black is a very strong color. Malakas na pigment ang black. Madali nitong matabunan yung kulay. So, we don't want to put a lot of black. Ayaw natin damihan yung itim. Dapat konti lang. Should be just a small line here. And then, if you're using colored pencil, you can just fade it a little. Pwede nyo siya i-blend, i-fade ng konti hanggang sa maging light colored na. Diba? And then, if you're using oil pastels or crayons, you can blend it with green. Yung mas lighter color yung ipang-blend nyo lagi, diba? Yan, blend nyo lang ng konti para hindi naman masyadong dark. Okay, dito naman tayo sa kalabasa. Kalabasa naman. Okay, another technique and habit. If you're using oil pastels, kagaya nito, di ba medyo nagka-green na siya, nagka-color na siya. So, kailangan meron kayong tissue and you have to actually wipe it. You have to clean it from time to time. We'll use, tinan nyo yung kalabasa natin, di ba? Color, yellow. I mix color yellow, orange, and some yellow ochre. Ito yung tinatawag na yellow ochre. Para siyang light brown. It's like light brown. Light brown. You know. But dark yellow. If you have this, you can also use it. If wala, just use yellow and orange. Okay. You can use yellow. We cover it all with yellow first. Then you can add this yellow ochre. Yung yellow ochre natin. Diba yan? Yan. Yellow ochre. Lagyan natin ng konti. Dito yung highlight natin. So, dapat medyo faded siya dito. I'm mixing it para hindi masyadong dilaw na dilaw ang ating kalabasa. You can also add some orange. Little bit of orange. And this part, yung mga buto-buto, yan yung medyo mas dark. You can add some more color over here. Gawin nyo siyang magaspang. If you do stippling, ito yung tinatawag na stippling. Para siyang pampagaspang. And then, you notice, I'm using different colors. Gumagamit ako ng iba-ibang kulay para mas interesting kesa yung flat siya. Okay, next, let's do the balat ng kalabasa. The skin. Okay, let's try color green. Okay, like this. Medyo rough look, diba? It's not smooth. Kasi medyo magaspang din yung sa kalabasa, diba? Yung balat. Actually, in here, I used green and brown and orange. And also the yellow ochre. Green, brown. Meron tayong green. But not too green, diba? Yung green nito, look. Yung green ng okra is really green. Green talaga yung okra. Pero yung balat ng kalabasa is more, sometimes it's a bit orangey, it's a bit brownish, diba? So you have to mix and blend the colors. Okay, let's do the kalabasa. So I'm putting green, but I'm not putting all. I'm not coloring all parts. Ganyan lang. Para may space for other colors. So there's space for other colors. Diba? Yan, diba? I mixed brown and green. Para medyo mas, ano siya, mas darker kulay. Okay, next, dito na tayo sa eggplant. Sa eggplant, okay, actually, if you color, anong color ng eggplant? Anong color yung nakikita nyo dito? Color? Actually, ang tawag ko dito, violet. Kasi yung purple medyo mas light. So, pag dinidescribe ko yung color na violet, like ko sinasabi the color of eggplant. Kulay ng talong, yun yung violet. Mas dark Yung purple, mas light. Yung lavender talagang light na light talaga yon. Okay? So, be clear. When you say violet, kulay niya yung eggplant. At, paano tayo gumawa ng violet? How can we make a color violet if we don't have a violet? Wala kasi akong violet dito eh. Wala akong violet na color. Wala akong violet na oil pastel. I don't have violet. How do we make violet? We mix two colors. Red and blue. Okay, red and blue. So again, leave a highlight. Ito yung ating light source, diba? Ito yung ating light source. So, pwedeng dito rin. Dito na banda. Ito yung ating magiging highlight. This will be our highlight or shiny part. We will not color this part. Okay. First, let's add blue. Kasi wala akong violet eh. But if you have violet, you can use that. But, since I don't have, I'll be mixing blue and red. Okay. Pag nagmimix ako ng purple na pang-color, kunwari, pang cute na artwork, I don't use blue and red. I use blue and pink. Kasi madilim yung kakalabasan kasi naghalo na yung violet. Yung red at blue. Yan o, look, I'm adding red. Red tong gamit ko. And look what happens to the color. Diba? Look, tingnan nyo. Dahil naiwan siyang white, it looks shiny. Diba? Now it looks shiny. Okay? You can also use some white here to blend it. And if you're done, you can also color the table and add some shadow. I-try lang natin, ha? And then when I color the table, I only use horizontal lines, left and right lang, para, kunwari, texture siya ng wood, di ba? Yung wood, yung kahoy. Yun. And then, I'll add some shadow. Saan yung shadows? Dapat, di ba? If this is your light source, this is our light, dapat dito yung shadows. Sa ilalim ng mga gulay. So, I'll use the darker shade, brown, dito ko lalagay. Flat lang din, horizontal line. Okay? Tignan natin ito. Yan. And then look, yan, no? Straight line lang din ako. Hindi pa fade lang. Yan, there's our still life. Yan ang ating still life fruits and vegetables. Di ba? Also, just a reminder ha, so after natin mag-growing, ano yung kailangan gawin? Kailangan natin maglinis at magligpit. Sino kaya yung very good na mag-clean up at maglilinis ng kanyang workspace? So, sabay-sabay nga tayo, ibalik natin yung mga art materials dito sa box. Tapos punasan yung table. At huwag kakalimutan maghugas ng kamay. Especially pag nag-color, kagaya ko, lagi dirty yung hand ko sa paint or sa colored pencils or sa oil pastel, lalo na oil pastel. Huwag kalimutan maghugas ng kamay, di ba? Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much for watching and joining us today.
Know your art, be art smart.